Welcome to step 4. I'm so happy you're here. This is the last and final step for business credit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to monitor our credit. So what I need you to do is every 2 weeks to 4 weeks, I need you to go ahead and log in and check the status of your credit. This is something that I will not be doing for you because it's too personal. Anything where I have to have your credit card or your social or your business tax, I really don't want to deal with that. I'd rather for you to do it. And plus, if you're going to continue to be my mentee, I need you to do some things on your own. I've gotten you this far, and now it's your time to do everything else that you need to do. I'm still going to be here to guide you, but I need you to do the easy part, just checking on it. So go ahead and make sure that you pull up your business reports and check on your business reports. It's like I said, every 2 to 4 weeks, just to check on them and see what they're doing and updating us on where you're at. And if you have any questions, if you don't see anything changing, that means you need to get more trade lines. So apply for another card or get something else that will actually show up on your credit. Be patient, please. Be patient. A lot of you guys are going to want this to happen overnight, and it's not something that happens overnight. Just know that when it happens, it's time. Okay, I'll see you in the next section.